The Indian budget smartphone segment is flooding with smartphones nowadays. The phone which really caught my eye recently is the Nokia 6.1 Plus. It was really difficult for me to get one, but here I am with the video. So hey guys, this is Satyajeet and you're watching the unboxing of the Nokia 6.1 Plus. So without further ado, let's get started. The box of the phone will remind you of the old Nokia phones. The front is colorful and bold with some specs written on the back. Opening the box, we find the phone itself. Let's keep it aside. Digging inside in, we find the charger along with the Type-C cable and a truly generic pair of earphones. Looking at the phone, it screams premium. The glass sandwich design looks and feels exceptional. But of course, it's a fingerprint magnet. In the front, there's the display with a notch and a chin with Nokia written on it. The display we're talking about is a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel with an aspect ratio of 19:9 and Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The notch includes a 16-megapixel f/2.0 camera. On the top, there's the headphone jack and the secondary microphone. On the bottom, there's the Type-C charging port and the speaker along with primary microphone. On the right, the usual power button and the volume rockers are present, which felt a bit mushy in the first glance. On the left, there's nothing but the hybrid SIM card tray. Moving to the back, there's a dual camera setup, below which there's the fingerprint sensor. The primary camera is a 16-megapixel f/2.0 sensor, while the secondary camera is a 5-megapixel f/2.4 sensor. The initial pictures, which were shot using the phone in average lighting conditions, turned out to be pretty good with great colors and sharpness. We'll talk more about the cameras in the full review. The fingerprint sensor used here is really fast and accurate. Talking about the performance, the phone runs on Snapdragon 636 along with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box and will be getting the Android Pie update soon. The phone feels snappy in the first glance, but I'll have to test it in depth. That was pretty much it for the smartly unboxing of the Nokia 6.1 Plus. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Satyajeet. See you in the next one.